What's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob, and I'm back with another video. And I have here the Galaxy Note 10 model sent out to me by the good people at SupCase. And I'm here to try out a couple of their phones, the UB Style and the UB Pro series cases on Unicorn Beetle. You can find these cases on their website. For the UB Pro, it's going for $28. And the UB Style is going for $19.99. Now, on with the fit. All right, let's start off with the UB Style in black. Let's get to it. Again, shout out to SupCase, providing tabs, making it easier. This is what we're working with here on the Note 10. You do have the openings for the microphone at the top. Ample space for the actual S Pen. Shouldn't have any problems. The speaker grill is wide open and plenty of space for that USB-C slot. It does have a little opening for lanyards for those who like to put their phones on a lanyard. All the buttons are mesh and fitted to the side of the actual case side, so there's no protrusion of the power buttons or the volume rockers. But then again, you're only going to be operating off of the left side. Right side is smooth, nothing there. Once you have this phone for a while, I'm quite sure you'll be able to remember the volume up, volume down, and the power button / Bixby. The camera is recessed, shouldn't have any problems, so they will be protected. Does have nice lip protection. So this case will be $19.99. If you're interested in getting a head start on this, I will leave a link. Next up, let's try their UB Pro. This is more like their version of a heavy duty OtterBox. Comes with a nice little holster. Do have it in blue and black. Your choice, people. Hard shell, does have a nice little kickstand. Making it easy to look at videos in landscape mode. I wouldn't try looking at videos like this, but it does have the ability to be positioned in that manner. Pretty much take it apart based on this little corner spot right here. So which one I'm going to try on? Let's just go with the blue. Nice trim on the inside. Got like a rubberized backing, but the middle part is plastic. Got the plastic. You got rubber corners, and it does have a frame. Let me peel it off first. No screen protector. Do have instructions on how to put this in, but yeah. Once you get it in, you just seal it around the trim of the actual second part of the case. Nice and locked in. Heavy duty. You need this type of protection if you're out on vacation, if you're the kind of guy who got an active lifestyle, this is the case for you. Does have the holster, and it does give you some instructions, but that's neither here nor there. So that pretty much does it. I will leave all the information down below about these two cases. If you are getting a Galaxy Note 10, this will be some great cases to have to protect that valuable product that you're planning on purchasing. So again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Other than that, I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.